She ratchet?
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Rusty. Welcome back to another video. We bought another car from Copart Auto Auction. We have a 2004 Toyota Camry Solara with 148,000 miles. Where does this say right here? 2004 Camry Solara, UK. I don't know what UK means. And it says Auto Nation here because when we purchased the car, the seller said it was Auto Nation. Auto Nation is a dealership, I think, in Miami. I think around Florida, actually. And they put this car in Copart. I'm guessing because it was a trade-in of some sort. And as you guys can tell, this car is straight up, I mean, I don't want to use this word, but ratchet. This thing is straight up ratchet. I mean, it runs and drives good. I drove it up and down the street, but man, there's like so much different colors on this car. Paint fading right here on the roof. I mean, a little bit right here on the spoiler. This thing, this thing is not pretty. The interior is a little better. This needs a little cleaning right here. The seats themselves look pretty good condition for being leather. I'm pretty sure this is real leather. I'm not really sure though. This seat has a little rip right here, and then, yep, you guys can tell the dash is cracked. These Toyotas, older Toyotas, been having this issue for a while now, but it's not too bad. There's no cracks on this side, it's just on this side. It looks really ugly. Not sure why they haven't fixed that. 148,000 miles. Let's check out the engine bay. So the engine bay is sort of ratchet. Same thing as the outside. I mean, there's really no rust. There's a little bit on the heat shield, but that's typical. There's really no major rust at all. There's a slight oil leak right there. I'm just gonna clean it off. It doesn't look like it's leaking bad at all. I'm using this little brace because obviously the strut is dead. So just in case. The battery, I mean, it starts every time. It is old. I think it's like 2 years old or 3 years old, but it starts, whatever. This front bumper is ratchet also. Headlights are yellow. We're gonna just buff those out. I mean, the car itself drives good. It needs an alignment. All the tires are different size, so that sucks. There's the key. The remote works, so that's pretty cool. Let's start this thing up. Like always, put it in a hole. There you go. Starts up every time. Looks pretty good. Other than right there, that's the tire pressure sensors. I'm pretty sure there's no TPMS here, but I know there's an issue. One of the tires are flat completely, and I just pumped it up, so we gotta figure that out. We're gonna have to put all new tires on there anyways. Radio works, AC works. I already tested this AC. Compressor kicked on last time. I'm not sure. Yep, it's kicking on. I can hear it. All right, that's cool. AC works, radio works. Let's see what's in. Ooh, what is that? Oh, there's the cup holder stuff. What's in here? Ooh, there's like a weird little skull thing. I'm not gonna touch that, just in case it's like voodoo or something. Yeah, there's some garbage in here. Well, at least the cup holder stuff is here. It's kind of broken, but whatever. Oh yeah, there's supposed to be a lid here too. That shit's deleted. Okay, there's nothing really here. Oh, well dang, there's the lid, but it's broken. Great. So this thing's a piece of crap. This thing runs pretty good though. There's the coolant level. It was always full when I got it. I checked the oil. Oil is full. So I mean, I guess it's good. Transmission fluid is clean also. I checked that also, so that's not bad. I've already drove her up and down the street. It seems to be working like it should. So yeah, that's awesome. At least it runs and drives good. The back seats are pretty clean also. No rips, no nothing. really good condition. I'm super surprised. I haven't even checked the trunk here. Maybe I shouldn't even show you guys this. What is this? Oil filter? What do we got? Some sort of carpets in here. They gave me some carpets, a nasty steering wheel, some seat covers. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, what is that? I don't know, I'm gonna have to go look through all this stuff just in case there's like some dead animals in here or something. But there's carpets, so that's good. So that's it, guys. All these tires are shot. I mean, there's different sizes on the back for some reason, different sizes on the front. We're gonna need all 4 new tires or used tires. It depends what's cheaper for me. I'm going on vacation right now, so I'm not gonna have time to mess with it ASAP. I'm gonna show you guys exact numbers in another video when I'm completely done everything on it. I'll give you the total numbers of the tires, alignment, headlight buffing, everything I do to this car, and total it costs me, and then I'll give it a total that I could possibly sell it for. Let me know in the comments what you think I got this car for. Total amount from auctions or total bid. It's up to you guys. Let me know. Whoever gets to the closest amount, I will leave a like on it. And until next time, guys, I'm gonna let you know this thing cost me. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys guess. So appreciate it, guys, for watching, and see you on the next one. Deuces.